Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn eco mode on your Delonghi Magnifica S. Right now this machine is on and it's ready to go, so what we need to do is we need to have the machine off but still plugged into power. So I'm going to turn it off, let it do its turn off cycle. Right, so the machine is now off but it's plugged into the mains and it's on the switch on the back. We now need to press this button here for 5 seconds until eco starts coming up on here. So press and hold now. I'm still holding, in a couple of seconds it will come up here. Now we need to hit this button here. This is what cycles eco on and off. So you can see I press it will go to solid, that will be on. Press it again, it will go to off. Press it again, on. Press it again, off. So here we go, we're on now, and we need to confirm by hitting this button. And that is it. The machine now will be on eco mode. So next time we go to turn it on, you will see that eco comes on, and every time we turn it on, from now on, it will remember that, and eco will always be on. Nice and straightforward. Thank you so much for watching.